Hey y'all, this is your bad neighbor out here at Copart Auto Auctions, and just thought I'd show you the reason not to stay in your car if a tornado happens to show up in your path. Run out and find the lowest spot on the ground. If not, you could end up being part of one of these things. Take a look. This thing here must have got spun around and twisted and torn. A little bit of a little bit of room inside. And if you look at these, that'll give you an indication of what that twisted metal on this vehicle. Riding in that thing in the air, twisting about, bent up. Here's another one. Let's see, that looks like, just to give you an idea. Yeah, that bed's ripped completely off, right off the metal. And that used to be a nice new Chevy Silverado truck. Sure wouldn't want to be sitting in this thing, my God. Just imagine the force of the wind to pick that thing up and bang it up and bend it. Now to give you a sight you don't want to see too much. Here's another one. If you were riding that, good luck. Made it through that one. Here's another one. That seat should have been inside. Couldn't even tell what it was till I got over to this side. And I could see the fact that the frame, which this thing was ripped completely off of, sitting right here, said Ford. From that last tornado. Here's one. Used to be a beautiful Impala. Here's something. Looks like it might have been a Subaru at one time. But they're a fantastic car, but not up to the force of a tornado like the one that hit us in Oklahoma. That's kind of scary. There you go. Piece of wood shoved right through the car. And that's just a thin piece of wood. Yeah. Doors ripped right off, flattened out. Ain't nothing left of that thing. And there's another one. And here's what's left of a steel frame of a Chevy something. Looks like a Chevy truck or an SUV. There's your frame. And there's your power plant, your motor. All the mounts and the things are broke. And there's the body of it. So this, folks, is a real good reason not to ever sit in a car when the tornado's right on you. Get out, run, and get in the lowest spot on the ground. Still not even sure what that was. I know it's a Chevy, but God only knows what model it was. That's what a tornado can do. Oh, this was a beautiful F-150 at one time. If you were in that one in the cab, what cab? This is just mind-blowing. I thought I'd try and ride it out or outrun it if I was come up on a tornado. I'm having second, third, and fourth thoughts now. Anyway, y'all, this is just a small sampling of what a tornado can do. So if you drive up on one or one catches up with you, get out and get on the ground in the lowest spot you can. Hey, y'all, this is your bad neighbor, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Y'all have a great day. Bye.